Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, responding fire. We're taking a look at what's going on here, and we actually have an area of heavy rainfall with some isolated thunderstorms located here in the Rocky Mount, Franklin County, Boones Mill, up through Stewartsville area, down to Martinsville. And this is going to continue in a fire hose effect to continue coming over pretty much the same areas. Got some storms out here towards Christiansburg, but the main panel of heavier rainfall right now is in this area. It's slowly moving to the northwest. So Roanoke will get into this. Troutville, parts of Bedford County, and the western parts definitely going to get into this. It's going to go probably a little bit west also. So areas such as Troutville and Fincastle may not get as much as, say, your Newcastle area up there as this thing progresses. We have to watch out for some damaging winds, maybe an isolated thunderstorm that comes through this, but we're expecting some heavy rainfall, at least probably an inch to as much as 3 inches over a period of a few hours coming to this area. This is being caused by a surface low here and in the Georgia area, but also an upper level low sitting back here in Kentucky and Tennessee, and that's rolling the moisture here into the mid-Atlantic states. So the heaviest moisture content is in that area. The area that's most likely going to get it is going to be your DC area, where we have a stalled out front and a boundary sitting there. That also may trigger a few rotating thunderstorms. Looking at the HRR, or high resolution rapid reflectivity radar, you're going to see, we do see storms rotate around this upper level low. And yes, there's going to be areas such as Franklin County, Bedford County that are going to be, I think, in a worse spot than, say, Roanoke County and Botetourt as this moves to the east. This is through roughly tomorrow morning, so let's see. I'll give you some timing here. So this is right around 6 o'clock. You see some showers and thunderstorms, and by the time we hit right around 8, we get some more showers and thunderstorms develop in the Bedford, Franklin County area and continue to move to the east. Like I said, the worst area is over here, DC and just to the east. So we'll go in through tomorrow, and that's going to be your next. Run. Get in through there. And we're going to get in through tomorrow. Wrong model. Run. Here's a look at a different angle. This is the NAM, and you see we get that shower thunderstorms you see on the HHHR, what's going on right now. Then it bursts at a break. You see from the west we get a boundary coming in from the upper level low. You see all the heaviest rainfall stays to the right. What happens right around 8 o'clock is we get a line develop showers and thunderstorms. And this will mainly also go into tomorrow, where we get more development. And then it'll move away, and we're going to dry out after that. By Friday, and late Friday we may see, late Saturday night we may see a line come through, but that's the latest that we're going to see. Back to the radar. Watch out for training of showers and thunderstorms. As I said, 1 to 3 inches could easily be achieved in Franklin County and in Bedford County as this thing stalls over the same area. Nothing much to the south but one lone cell. Nothing much to the east. You get a couple coming from Bedford and Forest area. Some moisture to the east, but right now the biggest threat, like I said, is heavy rainfall. Rocky Mount, Boones Mill, Westlake, this is all going to be heading north-northwest and slowly. So 1 to 3 inches easily happen. You may even see some flash flooding. Be safe on the roads, and be safe. Look out for responders, and for responders, keep your eye out on the roads. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching.